Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Admirable Nandini Art and Crafts. So today in my new video I'm going to show you how to make easy DIY pencil case or makeup case. So let's start with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming video. So let's start with the procedure without any delay. So take here a glitter foam sheet of pink color, and also you can take here a foam, and I have also taken here a foam sheet, glitter one. And now just fold this sheet into half properly, as it is a foam sheet. So press it properly from the center to make a curved line in the center, like this. You can form a line. So after that, take here a zip or chain like this one, and I have taken the biggest size of the chain. Also you can prefer the small size according to the glitter foam sheet. Now take here a pencil and mark 2 points of the size of the chain on the horizontal side. So using ruler or scale,
Big the line.
just extend this line. Now just take the pencil and mark 2 cm from the left vertically and from the right also vertically. Here I have marked the points. Now just using scissor cut it. So I have cutted it from the center, and again fold it and check that it is marking correct. So yes, it is correct. So make here a cloud shape using pencil. We're gonna make here a pencil case or makeup case of cloud shape.
Now cut it. See this, I have cut that side. Sorry for the inconvenience.
See, now I have cut it the cloud shape from here. Now just fold this here like this, and just draw out the figure on the other side as I am drawing. Just
Now cut this.
so see, I have cut it both shape of the cloud. Now you just fold it and check it that it is equal. So yes, it's equal. So now let's stick the chain to make it a kit. So see, I have shrink from here little bit using hot glue gun to stick the chain in the center. So now add glue gun to the back of the chain. So just slowly tap it on the center part where the gap is cut it, like this. Stick it. So see, I have sticked it from the one part, so I'm gonna stick the other part using hot glue gun. So now take here a piece of glitter foam sheet and just add glue to one of its end, just stick it like this in the U shape, and like this. So see, I have stick the left portion of the chain to the hair using hot glue gun. Now just I'm gonna cover it up. So like this, fold it first and just add glue gun on the top. And just fold this and stick it properly. Like this. Let it dry for some while. Now take here a piece of black color paper and just fold this paper into half like this, and take here a round shaped lid of any box, and just using pencil draw out a circle, and using scissor cut it. So I have cut it the circles. So now I will paste these circles as the eyes of the kit. So stick it in the center and take the other circle. I am using here hot glue guns to stick these circles so that it can adhere properly on the foam sheet. Now take here whitener and draw eyes inside this. Firstly, I'm gonna make here eyelashes of the eyes using black marker or sketch pen. So see how cute it is looking. Now take here a piece of glitter foam sheet of silver color and just take your pencil and draw here a bow and draw a circle between. I'm just using scissors and just I have cut it the bow and I'm gonna stick it to the left corner of the kit. So beautiful it is looking. I hope you all guys like this, and you can open it like this, your kit, and you can put things inside the kit, whatever you want to put, like this through the chain. And I hope you all guys like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. And yes, do share with your friends, and it's my humble request that guys who didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. And just I hope you all guys like. So till then, bye bye, we will meet you in the next video.